Good morning, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market opens up here in about 30 minutes. I do have an order out there on UGAZ right now down at 13.15. No idea if the price will actually get down to that area, but if it does, maybe a pre-market trade. If not, I'll just see you back at the open. Have an order at 12.65 here on AVYA here to go short for the first 500. Market's been open about 7 minutes now, and not a whole lot out there, but looking like some potential here. But again, needs to get up to 12.65 for me to get involved with it, so we'll see if that happens. All right, I have an order at 167.50. This thing's getting very, very volatile. It's got up as high so far as 167.04, so I'm in for my opening allotment and out that fast for $250. All right, well, a little bit of context here. It's almost 11 o'clock, but I haven't even been paying to the attention of the markets. But the context being it's actually Friday when I am recording this. And given it's Friday and given I made, the 250 in, what was that, like 5 or so seconds, I'm more than happy with that. I'm more than happy with just starting my weekend early. So like I said, I haven't been really even following the markets the past 30-ish minutes or so. Point being, though, that I'm just going to wrap things up. And also, I get it. The past few videos have been pretty short, but I would encourage you, if you enjoy the live trade videos, but you kind of want some of the longer ones, or maybe you think these are too short, then I have a playlist of, I don't know, like over 300 of these now. Maybe if it's even up to 400. I don't know the exact amount, but if you do want some longer videos, then yeah, just go and you can watch the playlist. But I'm keeping it short here. And as much as I love you as viewers and subscribers, with all due respect, I'm not going to go and force trades and such just to make a little bit longer video, because this is real money. This is not like some sort of simulator. So, I mean, as much as I would love to accommodate and try to keep on making more and more trades, I just don't need to. I'm very happy with $250 in 5 seconds on a Friday morning. Now, if you do enjoy the videos, though, best way to communicate that to me, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and then leave a comment down below. If you're interested in trading alongside me and other traders, so for example, RNG, that was alerted in the chat room that I have to offer, just go to claytrader.com/team and you can join there. And really the question you need to ask yourself is, do I believe this service, the live chat room, and then the newsletter that I send out, do I believe this can help me make more than $8.25, not per day, but per week? If you think the service can help you make more than $8.25 per week, then you will get a great return on your investment. And then finally, if you're interested in learning how to use technical charts and such to build a strategy that works for you, then again, I offer an entire training program called the Trading Freedom Pathway, and you can find that at claytrader.com. But if nothing else, and you just enjoy these videos and you want me to keep making them, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you back for the next live trade video. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.